where to go.
United Kingdom, United States. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket. We are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please put away your tray table. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Our plane is about to take off. The restroom will be temporarily closed. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel till the plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Passengers, we will arrive in the United Kingdom shortly. Wow! I want to go to that museum! Dear visitors, our museum is having a treasure hunt. Go find the hidden treasures. Drag Kiki to look for treasure chests. Wow, it's a sticker! Great! Another sticker! Another sticker! We found all the stickers. Let's put them on the postcard. There you go. That's a nice postcard. Passengers, the meal service magical item. Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly. I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Have to reel in. Let's go somewhere else. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Have to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please remain seated. The restroom is temporarily closed. The safety check is complete, and you did a great job. Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly. Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now. We lost the ball. Get it back. On the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.